Good evening, guys. Back again today. It's been such a great day. Look at that sunset. But yeah, today we are just gonna do a quick one on the car, just a hair filter. Nothing complicated, nothing like oh my god. But yeah, see. Yeah, I've had this car for like a week now, and it is amazing, man. It is amazing. Like fuel consumption is great. It's got lots of power. Lot of power. Like it's not a supercar, but it does a job. Got a clean engine. Obviously, soon I'll have to do the engine oil change because I never trust any oil change whenever it comes to buying a new car. I mean, secondhand. What I'm going to do now is I've got a new air filter here. So I'm gonna replace the one here, and as you guys can see here, it's filthy. Yeah, we'll get that replaced now, and obviously I know it's missing the air that goes here. Need to get that order, or need to go to scrapyard and get one. But yeah, just gonna do this quickly, and yeah. And also, no, this is not mine. Okay, chill out. This is my dad's new car. But yeah, just had he wanted to buy a cheap runaround, so he got this one, which looks good. I mean, Nissan makers never go wrong, and you can find parts anywhere in the planet. But yeah, let's get it on. Oh, it's hot. The turbo. Hello, good evening. Ow! Yeah, that's hot. Douche. Yeah, look how filthy this is. Nasty, nasty, nasty. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a vacuum to try and get in that. Speed it up as much as I can. Get in that. Oh yeah, that's all done. I ran out of memory. Seriously, I need to start using my camera. If anyone wants to donate their camera to me, feel free. But yeah, that's all done. It was a very hard work. It took me all that. No, I'm joking. Yeah. Oh, let me show you a bit more in detail of the interior and everything, because the last video I was in a rush because I was going to work. So here we've got the interior. It's got some fancy lights. Like the seats are in pretty good condition. This is where I listen to my music from. Back seats as well, good. Got this little bit here. Dirty. Yeah. And then Oh yeah, it's got good bass as well, good quality of music. Let me just show you.
Is it the kisses for me? Is it the kisses for me? She like hitting for me. She like ooh, she like ooh. You get my self-esteem. She like hitting for me. She like ooh, she like ooh.
As you guys can see, sounds very good. What else can I say? What else can I show you guys? These little evil eyes, plastic. I'm not sure if I like it. But yeah, like all around, it's okay, other than being dirty. Because obviously the driving in England with the rain and everything, it's a bit difficult. But yeah, it's all done. So this one's going to the bin, obviously. Yeah, that's it, guys.